Finding great candidates to hire can be like...
That's Roane County. Question number 6, Shane gave you the answer on the ride home yesterday afternoon at 5:25. In Bridget Jones' diary, what is the name of...
Somebody crashed, somebody crashed. Woo-wee. Go forward, dude.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh, man. Bumper. Go around.
Should we stop, Jake?
Probably.
Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're here.
OnStar emergency.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
No, that was totally their fault. They're just gonna keep... Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh.
I'm so sorry.
No.
Jesus Christ.
For speedy security, Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates not available in all states. Potential savings will vary.
Everything that you've ever seen.
Enrollment and paperless billing is automatic. Fees extra and subject to change. Early termination fee applies.
pointing that gun at his head, which, I mean, obviously sent like this shock of adrenaline.
Stop sign. Stop sign, retard.
Đừng nói giỡn. Ô má ơi. Ô, trời ơi, còn chút xíu bị đụng rồi. Ô má ơi. Trời ơi, cho mày ẩu. Mày ẩu đi.
Well, it's tough to give a 10, but it's up there.
Dumb fuck.
And the Big Mac. My gizzard. You know what? My guts are fucked, but my mind is happy. Is it worth it?
He ain't coming back. They call that boy Hitman. Mission complete. He running up, hitting this car. He getting up close. Turn that boy to a ghost. He should be late with a marksman. He said his whole block gon' fail like arson. So don't try to be Clark Kent. 3 on the clock. Call it to the night. 300, but he not a spar. They call that boy Hitman. Mission complete. He running up, hitting this car. He getting up close. Turn that boy to a ghost. He should be late with a marksman. He said his whole block.
What are you doing? Oh my god.
Can you get out of the way? The high beams aren't on, asshole.
Alright, asshole.
They're not on. Go look. I'm gonna tired of because I'm tired of you people fucking high beaming me and clipping me up. You don't like it?
You fucking idiot.
Go look at them. Go look at them.
How am I high beaming? I'm in front of you.
No, not you. Other people.
So what is it my fault?
So you're telling me I'm high beaming you? I'm not high beaming you.
So other people are asshole to you? You're
Yeah.
asshole to me?
I'm not being an asshole to you. Just go fucking turn in your driveway. I just want to go home. Go where, asshole? Come on, you had to go. Let's go. Oh my.
And they went, go, KZP 47 something, follow them. And don't hit no one else going for it, fuckers. That's a hit and run, Dylan.
Move, Tesla, move. Move it.
Hurry up, he's getting a green, Dylan. Go up over the thing, go. Cause he ain't fucking getting away with that bullshit.
I got the camera, I got his plates.
Okay, you do? Yeah, he thinks he's gonna, but if he goes,
he's getting on toll.
He knows what the fuck he did. Okay, there. He knows we're after him. He's gonna pull right in this middle. Just stay with him. Because I'm about to call 911 if you don't. Yeah, you know what you did. And we don't even know what damage there is, but we're about to find out.
A whole back bumper.
Motherfucker. Now watch him wait till we get out and then he'll drive off. He's just gonna sit there.
I'm about to take pictures.
Take a picture of his car.